Hey guys, so how did I get here to Miami, beautiful Miami? Well, it goes back to 2008. I was teaching English in China. My buddy Richard was living here and he was studying film. My GI Bill was running out. If you don't use it, you lose it. So in 2008, I came here and began studying film. 5 years later, I got my degree. And then in 2016, I joined the Peace Corps, where I taught English, high school English, in Madagascar for 2 years. Students, they're cleaning the classroom. It's a rainy day. Just stayed here at Gio's last night. Decided to stick around for breakfast. I knew it would be good. So what do we have for breakfast?
We are having scrambled eggs, sauteed cherry tomatoes, all the greens are organic, cucumber, baby greens, and we have a homemade cilantro lemon vinaigrette with a little bit of grapefruit juice demerara, and we have hazelnut coffee. Enjoy.
Just being a nice guy and calling me an Uber. Waiting for the Uber. Going back to the beach. Gotta get some work done. Gotta edit. Plan for tonight. There's a full moon party. My buddy Opie's in town. He lives in Tampa.
I gotta say, amen. Live long and get low.
Picking up a passenger.
¿Todo bien? Buenas tardes.
Ese es el chofer. ¿Cómo te llamas?
José.
José, chofer de Uber. Guess what I'm doing? Yeah, you guessed it, laundry. Now I'm back in Miami, looking to put my roots down, get a job, get transportation, and just start living. This episode was brought to you by papayas. Here in Miami Beach, they're everywhere. They grow like weeds. So if you like papayas and you like the video, eat a papaya and hit the subscribe button.